everyone, and thank you for joining us here. We are at the UHS Wilson Medical Center campus, and I'm joined by John Carrig, our president and CEO, along with Paul Klinko from LaChase Construction. Thank you both for being here today. It's a celebratory reason we're here. We are celebrating the topping off ceremony of our new Wilson project. We're right here in front of where the Wilson main tower will be. And we're placing the last steel beam today on the project. So, John, what can you tell us about the significance of this topping off ceremony and what it means for UHS?
Well, Carrie, it's really a recognition of all the construction work that's gone on and the great work that the iron workers have done and all the construction team. For Paul and Dave Doty, the site supervisor here, it's really an important day. As you can see behind us, the structure has really taken shape, and the team has done fabulous work so far.
Yeah, and as we're talking, you'll actually see the steel beam going up behind us. Paul, what can you tell us about this topping off ceremony and what this means in terms of celebrating a construction project?
Well, it's really a big day for UHS today here. We're really celebrating the topping off the building, which is really about the last highest beam that really significantly identifies the final height of the building. And then on the beam, you'll see where there's a tree and a flag. The tree really represents the successful completion of the erection of the steel frame of the building and the good luck, and then also represents good luck for the future of the rest of the project, and then as well as its future occupants, UHS, and the patients that come here and get service.
Yeah.
The flag really represents the American workers, the American dream, as well as the patriotism.
Yeah, wonderful. What a great ceremony. And as we're talking, we can see the steel beam going up right here behind us with the tree on it. Now, earlier this week, John, we invited all of our employees to sign the beam, and I also saw that you signed it. So what's the significance behind this, and what did you write on this beam?
Well, I gave tribute to all of the caregivers who are working this building and all of the patients who we will serve. It's really about those patients, our employees, and we had hundreds of employees sign that beam, and really so glad that we had it here. It's white, so we had different colored markers, and folks put their thoughts and their sentiments, and that's what I thought of first, was the caregivers and the patients.
Yeah, wonderful. Now we can see that beam. We'll give everyone a minute to watch as the beam is actually put down in place here, earmarking the significance, the topping off ceremony. So, John, this is the Wilson project is a really significant impact to UHS and to this community. One of the biggest enhancements to the UHS Wilson Medical Center campus in over 30 years. It's going to bring a lot to patient care and to helping our community. What would you like to say about what it will do for patient care?
Well, you're absolutely right, Carrie, and we've talked about the significant features of this project. This Wilson project is many years in the making. Like you said, our biggest project in over 30 years, and really our biggest project ever, over $150 million. So it's very exciting. We're going to have 120 private rooms and private bathrooms. We're going to have an expanded ED and trauma center. We're going to have an MRI in the building. We're going to have the helipad on top of the building. And we're going to have a new front door facing Main Street. And it's just incredibly exciting and will really, I believe, transform the care that we can deliver for our patients here at Wilson.
Yeah, wonderful. It's going to bring so much to patient care and to the community. Now, Paul, we saw the last beam here being put in place. So the structure is massive. What can you tell us that we're going to be seeing within the next year here at the project site?
Yeah, over the next several months, you'll see the exterior of the skin being placed on the building, as well as you can see, we're moving up the building, so the interior finishes and the building systems, which can control the environment, will be put in place over the next several months and throughout the next year.
Yeah, great. We're really excited to see everything happen. We were here about a year ago for the groundbreaking ceremony, so we've come a long way since then. Now, John, you talked about we will be moving this. The front door will be right here, the main entrance, right off of Main Street. What's the significance of this, and what does this mean for us?
Well, here we are in the heart of Johnson City, and we've had so many different entranceways over the years here at the Wilson campus. we'll be able to see the building and even start to see the building from Route 17, Route 86 now. But having a main entrance right on Main Street, easier access for our patients, easier access for ambulances, just a tremendous improvement for what we're doing here at Wilson.
Yeah, wonderful. And we'd like to invite everyone to watch as the site goes up. We'll have pictures on our public website and project updates. And if you're coming to the UHS Wilson Medical Center campus, you can visit our website for more information and find out about parking details and everything. So thank you very much, both of you, for joining us here today as we celebrate this significant milestone in the project. Thank you.
Thanks, Carrie. Thanks, Paul.